So we're going to be offering this EVO 8, EVO 9 drive shaft. It's a two-piece design that we did. It comes with the 1310 joints here, 1310 joint, and then of course the 1310 joint, and a 3-inch
tube.
Yeah, tubing for it. So.
And it bolts up to the first carabiner location from the back.
The back, yeah, from the back. Yeah, so that goes to the back and that goes to the front. So this one here is going to Barbados, to Russian.
Russian.
Yep.
All right, Russian.
See
So
this
thing is going here sequential. I'll put a clip here.
And maybe hopefully we could get them to go with the viscous soon.
Cool. Viscous, yeah.
Let's just see what happens with this one first.
All right, cool. So you guys, those that don't want to run a viscous yet, you're gonna be believers soon. You can get a two-piece drive shaft. Someone said. It comes with a stock EVO bearing, so you can mount it up just like that.
Yep.
All 3-inch 1310. Give us a call or email.